Geotechnical investigation services are an essential part of any construction project, as they provide valuable information about the soil and rock conditions at a particular site. These services involve conducting various tests and studies to determine the properties and behavior of the subsurface materials. In Saket, a prominent area in Delhi, Scon Design is one of the leading providers of geotechnical investigation services. With their expertise and experience in the field, they offer comprehensive solutions to clients in need of reliable and accurate geotechnical data. Scon Design Delhi has a team of highly skilled geotechnical engineers and technicians who are trained to conduct thorough investigations using state-of-the-art equipment and techniques. They understand the importance of collecting accurate data and providing reliable recommendations to ensure the safety and stability of any construction project. Whether it is for a residential building, commercial complex, or infrastructure development, Scon Design offers tailored geotechnical investigation services to meet the specific needs of their clients. The geotechnical investigation process begins with a detailed site visit and assessment, where Scon Design's experts evaluate the existing conditions and identify any potential risks or challenges. They then proceed to perform various tests, such as soil sampling, laboratory analysis, and in situ testing, to determine the soil composition, strength, permeability, and other important properties. This data is then analyzed and interpreted to assess the suitability of the site for construction purposes. One of the key benefits of hiring Scon Design for geotechnical investigation services in Saket is their ability to provide practical recommendations based on the findings of their investigations. Their team of experts carefully evaluates all the collected data and considers factors such as load-bearing capacity, settlement potential, slope stability, groundwater conditions, and seismic activity. This allows them to develop customized foundation designs and construction techniques that minimize risks and ensure long-term structural integrity. Another advantage of choosing Scon Design for geotechnical investigation services in Saket is their commitment to quality and client satisfaction. They adhere to strict industry standards and guidelines throughout the entire process, ensuring that all tests are conducted accurately and efficiently. Additionally, they maintain constant communication with their clients, keeping them informed about the progress of the investigation and addressing any concerns or queries they may have. In conclusion, geotechnical investigation services play a crucial role in ensuring the success and safety of construction projects. Scon Design Delhi offers comprehensive geotechnical investigation services in Saket, utilizing advanced techniques and equipment to gather accurate data about the subsurface conditions. Geotechnical investigation services play a crucial role in the construction and infrastructure development industry. These services involve the study and analysis of the physical properties of soil and rocks, as well as the assessment of potential risks and hazards that may affect the stability and durability of a structure. In Saket, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, Scon Design is a renowned company that offers geotechnical investigation services to various clients. With their expertise and experience in this field, they provide valuable insights and recommendations to ensure the successful completion of construction projects. Scon Design, based in Saket,